Welcome to Tuesday's Tools on Purpose at the Business on Purpose podcast. Tuesdays are all about equipping you guys with the tools that you need to run your business with intention and purpose. Our mission here at Business on Purpose is to liberate business owners from chaos so you can make time for what matters most. My name's Patrice Miles, and I'm one of the coaches on the team. And every Tuesday, I love to dive into the world of tools because in a world where your time is your most precious asset, finding the right tools can really help streamline your operations. So in every episode, I love to bring you interviews with experts. We share success stories. We provide step-by-step guides to empower you. But remember, it's not just about having the right tools. You actually have to use them. So we're on week 3 of our 6-week series on ownership preservation, legal strategies for safeguarding your business with Samy Diab Law Firm out of Houston, Texas. So today's topic is about protecting the corporate form with proper bookkeeping. So Samy, thanks again for joining us again today.
It's my pleasure. Always a pleasure to be with you, Patrice. Thank you.
Yeah. And again, just like we did last time, a lot of our listeners haven't been on any of the series so far. So tell us just a little bit about yourself.
Sure. My name is Samy Diab. I'm an attorney here in Houston, Texas. My office is called Diab Law Firm, and we work with businesses throughout the country to help them through their legal troubles and help keep them out of legal troubles.
I love it. Yes, let's definitely keep us out of the legal troubles. That's why we're
That's
here
right.
today.
Absolutely.
So talk to me, what is proper bookkeeping in order to protect the corporate form?
Yes. So proper bookkeeping for legal purposes will keep personal expenses out of the business. And when an owner or anyone else in the business incurs a business expense personally or does the inverse of that, it's critical that the proper party reimburse the other party. This is even more now. Of course, a lot of our viewers may be thinking, well, of course, that's just proper bookkeeping, and that's true. It is proper bookkeeping to do things that way, but it's even more important than you may think it is because, yes, it helps for proper accounting purposes and management purposes and decision making, but also in the event that the business is sued, commingling of funds and commingling of expenses is one of the factors that courts examine to deliberate on the subject of veil piercing. In other words, if a business incurs personal expenses for its owners or vice versa, then the owner's personal assets could be on the line in the event of some sort of legal dispute.
Wow. So if I'm running my Lexus through the business and not actually using it for the business, I could have problems.
That's right. That's right. Car payments, rent payments, mortgage payments, those are some of the big ticket items. And those transactions will show potentially the court that the business is no different from its owners and that they're just alter egos of one another, and that therefore the plaintiff should be entitled to recover from the owner's personal assets because it's the same thing in the end.
Okay. So just because I start an LLC doesn't necessarily mean I have that complete protection personally.
Right. Yes. Starting an LLC or one of the other structures is the right first step. You should do that 100%, but that alone is not sufficient. You've got to keep a clean house.
Yeah. And tell me, Samy, I mean, even just some simple things like, my son's cell phone bill is on our main cell phone bill. It's $50 a month.
Mhm. Yeah. So great point. That is a smaller expense than your Lexus payment for sure. But nevertheless, that is still a concern. The amount of the bill and whether the bill is recurring, those are two big
Mm.
factors in this issue. So a cell phone bill, yes, it's much smaller than a mortgage payment, for example, or a car payment, but it is a recurring bill. And I would be concerned about that. I would counsel my client to remove that right away and begin billing and properly bookkeeping for this appropriately. So yes, even that is a concern.
Yeah. So I would think all of us know that we need to have clean books. We need to have proper books, but this is just another reason why we need to get the chaos out of our finances.
That's
So
absolutely right.
Samy, is there anything else that we should know about proper bookkeeping when it comes to just the legal aspects of it?
No, I think we've done a good job of overviewing it today.
That's awesome. Well, thanks so much for joining us today again.
Of course, my pleasure, Patrice.
And again, tell our viewers, how can they get a hold of you if this is a topic they'd like to discuss a little bit further?
Absolutely. My direct phone number is 713-588-1657. My office's general line is 281-560-4913. And my email address is Samy with one M at diablawfirm.com.
Awesome. Well, guys, that is a wrap for Tuesday's Tools on Purpose. Enjoy your new tool, proper bookkeeping. Remember, every small action can lead to big results. So, what action are you going to take today in regards to preserving your business through proper bookkeeping? For those of you all that are out there and you're just tired of living in chaos and you're really ready to start working on your business instead of in it, I would love to show you how you can finally start seeing some return on investment in the areas of your time, money, and a business that can truly run without you. If that's something that you've always wanted, but you just don't know the path to get there, set up a discovery call with me so I can learn more about your business, and then together we'll determine what that path looks like. Just email me at patrice@mybusinessonpurpose.com. And Kevin is also going to put a QR code up for you to sign up for that discovery call. You'll just check that out on our YouTube channel. Otherwise, we always have our healthy business owner assessment if you're brave enough to take it. If you really want to find out how healthy your business is, again, scan the QR code Kevin is putting up on our YouTube channel or type in the URL. Guys, a 0 is not good, but a 40 is a perfect score. So if you're brave enough, go take the test. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Thanks so much.